Samsung's Galaxy S24 was already a solid flagship, but now the S25 is here. What's actually changed? Is it a big enough upgrade, or just a minor refresh with a new name? We are going to see that in this quick video, so make sure you subscribe so that you will get more videos like this. Let's get right into the video. First up, let's talk design. The Galaxy S24 has a sleek and modern design with its glass back and metal frame. It's a premium look and feel, but the S25 takes it a step further. It's lighter at 162 grams, yes, but also slimmer, with thinner bezels that give you more screen and less border. The frame might use a titanium alloy like the Ultra models, depending on the region. Samsung also adjusted the camera island. It now looks more polished with smoother transitions around the lenses. Color-wise, the S25 brings fresh tones like cool blue, peach pink, and graphite black, while maintaining IP68 water and dust resistance. Overall, the S25 doesn't reinvent the wheel. But it feels more modern and easier to hold, especially for long sessions. Under the hood, the S25 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, delivering smoother multitasking and better thermal performance than the S24's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos variants. Wired notes its improved cooling prevents throttling during gaming. The S24 features the Previsual engine for clean, AI-enhanced shots. The S25 uses updated Galaxy AI imaging with features like machine learning enhanced zoom and generative edit that refine video and photo editing directly on the device. The Galaxy S24 has a 4000 mAh battery that gives you around 6.5 to 7 hours of screen on time, depending on how you use it. The S25 keeps the same battery size, but lasts a bit longer thanks to a more efficient processor, giving closer to 7.5 hours. Charging speed hasn't really improved. Both support 205 wired and 105 wireless charging, taking just over an hour to fully charge. The S25 runs on One UI 7 with new Galaxy AI tools like Gemini Assistant, live transcription, audio eraser, and writing help build writing. It also adds Now Bar, a smarter widget hub for quick access to your most used features. The S24, while still powerful, launched with One UI 6.1, which has AI features like circle to search, live translation, and basic photo editing, but misses out on most of the newer productivity tools unless it gets the One UI 7 update later on. So that's the actual difference between the Galaxy S24 and S25. The S25 brings better efficiency, smarter AI, and some design tweaks, but it's not a huge upgrade if you already have the S24. Still, if you're coming from an older phone, it's definitely worth considering. Also, if you're curious about the Nothing phones, check out my latest video comparing all three models: Nothing Phone 1, 2, and 3. It's a quick breakdown that'll help you know which one's right for you.